Hi everybody, it's Derek from 9D Diagnostics. We've got a customer's car in the workshop today. It's in with us for a set of rear brake pads. This car was in for its NCT. It passed its NCT, but the NCT recommended that the brake pads would probably more than likely need to be replaced shortly. So that's why it's in with us today. So we've removed both wheels and we've had a look at the rear brake pads, and to be honest, they're not that bad. There's still life left on them. Let's have a look. So this is your brake pad. We've removed the caliper that goes over here. This is the metal of the brake pad. This is the actual meat. This is the disc, and then this is the other side of the brake pad with the pad, and then the metal here. So when then both of them squeeze together, as you can see there, the disc is turning. They squeeze tight, and it stops the disc, which ultimately stops the car. So looking at this, I would say, without measuring it, I'd say they're probably 40-50% worn, if even that. So there's still life left on the discs. So, the pads on both sides. So we gave the customer a phone call, and we've told them that look, the brake pads aren't that bad. They could probably go for a little bit longer, but the customer wants to get them replaced. So that's what we're going to do. And we always try and keep things as honest as we can. If something doesn't need to be replaced, we won't just replace it just for the sake of it. But ultimately the decision is always down to the customer whether parts get replaced or whether they don't. It's always, because ultimately it's your car and you own it, and we're just advising what the car needs. So the customer wants to get the brake pads done, so we're going to put new brake pads in and then get the job sorted and back on the road for them. Okay, so if you want an affordable, honest mechanic, you know where to go. Okay, thank you.